Hello and welcome to the Energy Brief with Peter. And as you might have guessed, I am Peter. Wind turbines or wind energy have been given a poor reputation in recent years for being unattractive, ugly devices with dangerously sharp blades that hurt the environment more than they benefit it. The genuine advantage of wind energy have been concealed by a tiny group of people, as is the case with many innovative endeavors. This video dispels such misconceptions which you yourself might have come across. Myth number 1. Wind turbines are too noisy. Early wind turbines were exceedingly loud, which severely limited their abilities to be expanded. Since then, most new rotors are situated in front of their towers rather than behind them and rotate more slowly. These modifications, along with others, have significantly reduced noise from wind turbines. Modern technology has enabled wind turbines to become almost silent energy sources. And according to the American Wind Energy Association, wind farms at a distance of 750 to 1000 feet make no noise than a reasonably quiet room. Myth number 2. Wind turbines kill birds. The Royal Society for the Protection of Birds have discovered that flying into rotating turbines has little effect on bird populations. Global climate change, however, is a considerably bigger threat to bird life than wind farms. According to Canadian Energy Association, a 2004 research predicted that up to 25% of all bird species might go extinct due to climate change by 2054. Wind energy can help to stop this estimate from becoming reality. According to the Irish Wind Energy Association, for every 10,000 birds that are killed as a result of human activity, less than one death is connected to wind turbines. As with other tall constructions, birds have been known to fly into wind turbines. Conventional fuels, on the other hand, contribute to air and water pollution, which may have far more of an effect on species and their habitats, the environment, and public health. Myth number 3. Wind energy is more expensive. Because wind changes have an impact on the operation of other plants, they do raise the daily and minute-to-minute operating expenses of a utility system. However, the economic costs of wind power are lower than fossil fuels. Over the past decade, wind farm costs have dropped significantly while wind capacity has increased. According to Friends of the Earth, the price of coal energy would be 3 times greater than that of wind energy if the cost of environmental harm were factored in. Wind energy will only become more affordable as a result of the ongoing advancements in wind technology. Meanwhile, as fossil fuel supplies become more scarcer, their costs are growing and will keep rising. On the other hand, once wind turbines are constructed, the costs are fixed because there are no fuel expenses associated with them. Myth number 4. Wind turbine materials cause pollution. Working wind turbines are clean, sustainable energy sources that don't emit carbon dioxide or any other wastes. Wind turbines can emit greenhouse gases during their initial construction, but they more than make up for this with the clean electricity they provide for up to 20 years. According to the Canadian Wind Energy Association, installing one contemporary wind turbine on a parcel of land will reduce carbon dioxide emissions by almost 44,000 tons annually. Wind energy can also reduce the quantity of power produced from using fossil fuels, which will lead to less overall air pollution and CO2 emissions, that is carbon dioxide emissions. Myth number 5. Wind power is inefficient and unreliable. No power sources are able to run forever without stopping, and wind power is no exceptions. Turbines are most effective in windy places, but even at that, the Canadian Wind Energy Association says a contemporary wind turbine anywhere generates power 70 to 85% of the time, with the output varied depending on the wind speed. Wind is becoming considerably more predictable due to the accuracy of weather reports. Also, no power plant is completely dependable, be it a wind or coal power plant. The whole interconnected utility system serves as a backup during a power plant failure, so no new backup is necessary to keep a utility system reliable when wind power is introduced to it. Unlike solar, wind energy faces a number of limitations in its applications. It is usually not the best alternative for homeowners with limited land. Nonetheless, we have been able to debunk the misperceptions held by many about this energy system. Finally, this is a growing YouTube channel. Kindly assist to increase the reach of this channel by hitting the subscribe button and the like button. Like they say, applause may be good for the moment, but love is everlasting. Your addition to my view count is good for the moment, but your subscription is everlasting. Thank you for watching.